Hello, my name is Nayeli Maldonado. So we're going to start off with question 3. So it says, we are lifting a leaky bag of sand that has an initial weight of 144 pounds to a height of 18 feet. When bag reaches 18 feet, it only contains half of the sand. Assume it leaks at a constant rate and the cable is pulled at a constant speed. Weights of the bag and the cable are insignificant. Okay, so here I have our picture to start off. What we're going to do is that we're going to start labeling our pieces. So our delta Y strip, our handle, and then we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do is pick a delta Y strip along this cable. This is, of course, is going to be called delta Y. Now we're going to start off with our handle, which always starts at the origin. So our origin will be right here. And we're going to go all the way up to our delta Y strip. And this piece will be called Y. Okay, so what we're going to do with this information is now create a graph to find our slope. So our graph will look something like this. Pounds on the top and feet along your X. So what we started off with was 144 pounds. So we're going to mark that here. So 144. Okay? And then it says that once it reaches 18 feet, it only contains half of the sand. So when we do 144 divided by 2, we get 72 pounds. And like we said, it's once it reaches 18 feet. So now we're going to be solving for our slope using the function of y. So what we have here is f of y is equal to my plus b. So what we have again is our slope will be our negative 72 over 18. So we have negative 72 over 18 times y plus our initial 144. So 144. So that's our function of y. We can simplify it to become negative 4y plus 144. And that's our function of y. So now since we found our slope, our function of y, we're going to be plugging it into an integral. So we have, and our limits is going to be from the origin, which is 0, up to the 18 feet since we only went halfway up. So we have 0 to 18. And then our function of y is what we're going to be plugging into our integral. So we have negative 4y plus 144. And then we also have to multiply by our delta y. But once it comes into the integral, we have our dy instead of delta y. So there you go, guys. That's how you set up this question.